Before God and before man, you have done what has put joy in our hearts. Those who do good, good returns to them.
So what we're experiencing today is the commissioning of this enormous hospital facility here in Rivers State. Behind me is the facility which the government says is designed to strengthen access, to quality healthcare for the people of Omoku and surrounding communities. And just in a moment now, what you can see on your screen is the actual tape curtain of this edifice that you see on your screen. So the people here are indeed, you've seen the excitement, you've seen the crowd, you've heard the stories, you've heard why this is so important for the people of Omoku, Ogba, Egbema, Ndoni community here in Rivers State, and they are now equipped with a world-class facility.
Governor of Rivers State, and commissioned this day by His Eminence, Dr. Nwachukwu, Oba of Oba of Ogbaland. The day is 21st day of August 2026 to the glory of God.
Go ahead now and speak to some persons here, to tell us just how important, this edifice is. Well, standing here with me is the Ugoeze Onyinye Ile. She's a former leader on Nelga Legislative Assembly. Let's hear from her just how great, just how important, this is, for the people of this community. Madam, this way. Yeah, this way. So talk to us. I mean, how excited are you about what is happening here today? What's your mood like today? Talk to us.
Today is a very special day for we, the people of Oba, Egbema and Ndoni Local Government, for this edifice, our Omoku Zonal Hospital. This will take care of a lot of surrounding areas. We are a 3-tribe local government. The people from Omoku will benefit, the Ogba people will benefit, the Egbema people will benefit, the Ndoni people will benefit, and even Ahoada, by extension, will benefit. To the glory of God, this is wonderful. We are really happy about today.
I mean, you are a former legislative of the Onelga Legislative Assembly. What do you think this hospital now will bring for the people of this entire community? And how was it like before? Give us a description of what it was like in the previous years before today.
Before today, it was more like a health center, but today it is a hospital, and you know the grades of hospital. This is an international hospital of international status. When I was in the council, it wasn't this big, but today this is massive, and we are truly grateful. The Oba Egbema and Ndoni Legislative Assembly, the 7th Assembly, we knew what it was then and what it is now. To God be the glory.
I mean, you are a woman. First and foremost, you're a woman before you became anything else. So tell me, what do you think the women of this community, will... So tell me, what do you think this will bring to the women of this community?
This will bring a lot of reduced rates for them in terms of hospital bill, because being a zonal hospital, they will not pay as much as they would, and transport them to Port Harcourt will be drastically reduced, because everything will be done here in our headquarters, Oba, Omoku. So they will come here, receive their treatment, and go home with less cost. And they will be really, really satisfied that they have been administered healthcare, quality healthcare.
So, I mean, what do you make of what the government is doing right now across the 23 local government areas of Rivers State with all of this commissioning? What's a word, for the government of Rivers State and indeed for Siminalayi Fubara, the governor?
Our magic, our dynamic, our articulated Governor Sim Joseph Fubara, he's really trying more than expected, considering all that he has been through, the hurdles that were on the way. He pulled through, and every 23 local government will benefit, and we are one of them. This is just the beginning, and he used quality hands. Like under health, he used people like Professor Adeze Chidinma Ore to push a lot of projects through in the 23 local government, and to God be the glory. This is one of it.
Madam, thank you so much for talking to us. Thank you very much for talking to us here. Just go ahead now, you can and enjoy this edifice here. Okay, so that's the much that we can take here now at the live commissioning, of this official commission of the Omoku Zonal Hospital, and the people are saying to themselves that this is good, this is great, and the governor himself, I mean, who was moved by the stories that he heard here today. He's also happy that he was able to complete and remodel this general hospital here in Omoku, here in Rivers State. Well, we will try to come back, and talk to some other people, how they will maintain this facility, because that is indeed very, very important.